Have you ever looked at those high-end, cinematic product commercials and thought, I wish I had the budget, the cameras, and the studio to pull that off? Well, what if I told you that the days of needing a $10,000 production crew are officially over? Welcome to the future of content creation. Today, we're diving deep into Nextify.ai, a game-changing AI tool that turns a simple product photo or a single URL into a stunning, professional advertisement in literally minutes. We're talking about hyper-realistic AI avatars, perfect lip-syncing, and cinematic camera movements that will leave your audience questioning what's real and what's machine-generated. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to master this tool to skyrocket your sales and level up your content game. But before we unlock these secrets, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Desire. Here at Desire, we bridge the gap between your vision and the latest technology. Are you ready? Let's jump into the future. Alright everyone, welcome to the Nextify.ai homepage. This is your all-in-one powerhouse for product marketing. Whether you're looking to promote software, fashion, gadgets, or literally anything else, this platform has you covered. It's a goldmine for influencers who want to create high-converting ads without the high production costs. Just take a look at these stunning video samples they've showcased here. To get started, we'll click on Sign Up at the top. You can easily jump in using your Google account or email. Since I've already registered, I'll just hit Login and head straight to the dashboard. Once inside, you're greeted with this sleek interface where you can browse through previously created clips for inspiration. If you click here, you'll see the full arsenal of tools: video ad generator, talking actors, ad image generator, product in hand, unboxing POV, and so much more. Let's kick things off with the video ad generator. What's mind-blowing here is that you can choose between elite AI models like Sora 2, Kling, and Veo 3.1. For this demo, I'm going with Veo. Now, let's set our parameters. I'll go with a 16:9 aspect ratio, set the duration to 8 seconds, and keep the quantity at 1 for now. You even have the option to set start and end frames or upload a reference image to guide the AI. I'm going to upload a photo of a dress I have here. Now, check this out. One of the best features of Nextify is that you don't need a separate AI like ChatGPT to write your prompts. Just click on the prompt area, and it starts analyzing your image to craft a custom prompt. It's incredibly smart. It automatically identifies the product name and category. Under core selling point and target audience, it nails the details effortlessly. You can also pick your target region and the language of your audience, and even specify the video type. Let's hit Next Step. It's generating 3 distinct prompt styles for us. You can see the tags and themes under each one. Just pick the one that fits your vibe. I'll go with the second one, it looks promising. Click Select this plan, and it builds the full prompt. The best part: you can manually edit or add your own touch to this generated prompt. On the right, you can choose the style: realistic, luxury, you name it. Let's try luxury. Boom. A brand new, high-end prompt is ready. Once you're happy, hit Confirm. Now, when I click Generate, it shows us the credit cost, 10 credits for this masterpiece. Let's hit it and wait for the magic to happen. It usually takes 3 to 10 minutes. While that's cooking, let me show you one I made earlier.
Okay, time for some study tunes. That's better. Fits right in. Whoa, good thing this is splash-proof.
Look at this.
Look at this neckline. Oh my gosh, look at this neckline. So elegant. Wow, this fits like a dream. I feel so...
The quality is outstanding, the lighting is on point, and it looks professional. There might be a tiny bug here and there, but for an AI-generated clip, it's remarkably high tier. Next, let's explore the unboxing POV tool. This one is a game changer. I'm uploading a photo of a Patek Philippe watch. You can choose from various templates, on a table, on stone, by the window, you name it. I'll go with the mirror table setup. I've decided to generate 4 clips for this, which costs 12 credits total. The site estimated 6 minutes, but honestly, it took closer to 20 to 30 minutes for me, so keep that in mind. But look at these results, simply breathtaking.
Timeless design, flawless craftsmanship.
The quality is flawless, and even the text on the watch face is readable. Beyond that, you have App Showcase for software demos, custom avatar to create your own digital twin, and custom voice cover to clone your voice. Let's try the video ad generator again, but this time with Sora 2 Pro. This model is a beast for commercials. I'll stick to 16:9, set it to 15 seconds, and 1080p quality. This time, I'm uploading a JBL speaker. Again, the AI's recognition is flawless. It identified it as the JBL Go 3 Portable, categorized it under electronics, and picked up on key selling points like Bluetooth and portable. It even suggested music lovers and travelers as the target audience. I'll set the region to US and choose Product Demo as the video type. I'll select my favorite prompt plan, hit confirm, and let it run. This one costs 20 credits and takes about 20 minutes. The biggest draw here is the absolute freedom. You no longer need to spend thousands on models, lighting, or high-end cameras for a 10-second clip. You are the director. You can place your product on a cliffside, inside a luxury hotel, or in the hands of an AI influencer who talks about it with pure excitement, all while the actual product is sitting right next to you on your desk. So, who is this really for? Instagram admins, if you're struggling to find unique content, this is your goldmine. E-commerce owners, you can create professional unboxing videos for every single product to build massive trust with your customers. Affiliate marketers, you can promote products you don't even physically own by generating high-quality ads for them. And YouTubers, it's perfect for creating those high-energy intro teasers that grab attention instantly. While we wait, let's check out the ad image generator. This tool is perfect for creating viral content. You have 2 models, Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. I'm going with the Pro version to create a YouTube thumbnail. I'll type a viral YouTube thumbnail titled, Create Ads with AI. In the Add Actor section, you can pick a character, create your own, or upload your face. For now, I'll leave it empty and let the AI do its thing, but you should definitely experiment with it. This costs less than 1 credit. The result? Fantastic. This is a perfect base for a YouTube thumbnail. You can download it, remix it, or use it for further generations. Now, let's see the final JBL speaker video.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm on my way.
The JBL Go 3 Eco clips right to your bag and keeps you hands-free.
Sounds great.
Powerful, portable, and water-resistant, it delivers clear calls and big sound wherever the day takes you.
Perfect. See you soon.
City Sounds, effortless audio.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm on my way.
The JBL Go 3 Eco clips right to your bag and keeps you hands-free.
Sounds great.
Powerful, portable, and water-resistant, it delivers clear calls and big sound wherever the day takes you.
Perfect. See you soon.
City Sounds, effortless audio.
Incredible. It looks like a real commercial. Professional, sleek, and highly engaging. Lastly, you can check out their pricing plans here. You can start for free to test it out enough for about 10 videos, and if you're a serious creator or influencer, their paid plans are definitely worth the investment. It's incredible, isn't it? We've just witnessed how the line between imagination and reality has completely blurred. Tools like Nextify.ai have taken the power out of the big studios and put it right where it belongs in your hands. There's no more excuse to wait, the tech is here, and it's easier than ever to use. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're ready to start creating ads that actually convert, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also, if you haven't joined the Desire family yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a beat in this fast-moving world of AI. Drop a comment below and let me know, which AI tool do you want me to dissect next? I read every single one of your suggestions. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.